Hey everybody, I'm back with the next segment of the Tong tutorial. Great way to pass the time if you're sequestered in your shop. Hopefully you can get out to it. Just a quick recap of what we did last time, and one little point that I wanted to go into in a little extra detail. So these are the bits of our tong that we have made thus far. Basically, we've set down 3 shoulders, here, here, and here. We've scarfed the end of these bars in anticipation of forge welding on the rein material, and we've just sort of, we've done our best to keep everything sort of nice and crisp, and and also the same on both. One little point that I wanted to mention. I know this is hard to see on these, so I have this plasticine model here. It's really important that your second shoulder is set down right at that transition of your first shoulder. So where your bit comes off your boss, that needs to start right at that interior corner and trail sort of down and back, onto the boss. So this side is correct. This is what it looks like if you miss it a little bit. You can see that there's a little extra material, sort of in front of the bit here. There's a little bit of a swoosh going on, and that's less than ideal, because when these two pieces lap on top of one another, if there's a little extra material right there, it's going to get in the way, and your tongs won't close properly. It's not insurmountable. You can always heat them up real hot and just kind of mash them together, and they'll accommodate each other. A slightly more refined way to do it would be to take a file and remove that material prior to riveting those together. The next thing that we have to do to our tongs is attach the rein material. Now I've got 2 pieces of